गाइस, तो आज मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया कि आज मैं वो काम करने वाली हूँ जो मैं पिछले 2 महीने से टालती आ रही हूँ।
And no, we're not opening a bank account today, at least not yet.
आज मैं थोड़ी बहुत फूटी कौड़ियों के लिए कबाड़ बेचने वाली हूँ।
I'm not even kidding.
No, seriously, because if you've been living in Germany and you've been throwing away all of the plastic bottles, that was not a good idea. You're basically throwing all your money away. Because you see, in Germany, there is a system called the Pfand system, which exists to promote recycling. In Germany, every time you buy something that comes in a container like this or this, you basically pay an extra 25 cents deposit. To get the deposit back, it's very simple. You just have to recycle these bottles, and you cannot just throw them in any recycling bin. I think there's a special type of trash can called the Fandomat, which looks like a vending machine. हमें basically bottles उसमें जाके लौटानी है and फिर वो हमें पैसे वापस देगा. Personally, have still not seen a Fandomat because I have been hoarding all my plastic bottles, so I didn't go looking for it, but we're finally doing that today. So it turns out that there's a Fandomat at the entrance of every grocery store, so I'm just gonna go to the store that's closest to my house and we'll see what we can do. Okay, so let's go. What a day to be selling kachra. I love my life.
We're here. एंट्रेंस पे ये 2 मशीन दिखी, लेकिन समझ नहीं आ रहा कि इसमें ऐसे यूज दूध की बोतल क्यों बेच रहे
भाई,
हैं.
तो मैंने अपनी बहुत बेइज्जती कराई. वो फांड की मशीन नहीं, वो दूध डिस्पेंस करने की मशीन थी और मैं अपनी बोतलें उसमें घुसा रही थी. तो दिस इज द एक्चुअल मशीन. सो यू जस्ट
It's so satisfying, guys. And you can see the money adding up, and then you can cash it out. Basically, ये कूपन मिलता है जो हम डिस्काउंट के लिए सेम स्टोर में यूज कर सकते हैं. मैंने तो सेम ही बोतल खरीद ली.
and so we begin again.